Hi guys, Henry's Cat. Another great classic of the 80s. Oh, I've got that. Yeah, that's right. Just having to look then. Yeah, another great DVD series. So you've got Henry's Cat, you've got Chris Rabbit, and there's always the villainous Barbara, if I've said it right, that's always trying to spoil his adventures. You know, yes, he would like to just sit on his and watch his TV and, you know, watch the days go by and just watch what's going on TV. And sometimes he will go in his balloon with Chris Rabbit. And there's quite a few other characters in this. And I can't remember the names. If you do, great. Yeah, there seems to be a duck and a red dog and a pig. I'm not sure what they're called. Maybe I'll find out later. Yes, so Henry's Cat. Ah, yeah. So it's the same on the front cover. Yeah, it were a classic TV series. I don't remember how many episodes there were. I'll show you there. Yeah, there's an episode list of each one. I'll try and get that right way around. I think you might be able to get this on Amazon, if not it'd be eBay. Yeah, so it's a great DVD series. See if I can take the disc out without doing any damage to it. I think that's an episode list there. Not 100% sure, but gives you an idea what's on the DVD. So if you want to pause it and have a look. Oh, seems to be a smudge on one of my discs. Get that off. It's like fingerprints. Yeah. So about this, guys. Just not be able to get it off. We'll probably still play. Didn't see them before. Yep. And Henry's Cat you can find on YouTube as well. Right, so let's see what it says. Put that back in its case. Right, so Henry's Cat is a classic series written by Stan Howard and brought to life by legendary animator Bob Jeffrey, featuring the one and only coolest cat, the yellowest cat, yes, Henry's Cat, idolised for dry sense of humour. Children and adults alike are captivated by the feline charisma. Henry's Cat seldom speaks, but in his silence is more than compensated far by the maniac friend Chris Rabbit. The adventures of Henry's Cat and Chris Rabbit find them in many places in the 5 series produced, with Henry's Cat being everything from president to private detective looking for the missing Santa Claus. He also visits many amazing places such as the moon in an hot air balloon. I'm not sure. Henry's Cat and Chris Rabbit's adventures are uninterrupted by their arch rival, the evil Barber, and Henry's Cat desires to sit at home and dreaming of food instead. So featuring all of the episodes from the following releases: Henry's Cat The Complete Series 1, Henry's Cat Complete Series 2, Henry's Cat Complete Series 3, Henry's Cat Complete Series 4, and Complete Series 5. So the running time is 400 minutes. It's PAL Region 0. Can't see aspect ratio. Anyway, I mean, if you remember the series, great. I do, and I found it very funny. It's a bit like Rhubarb and Custard can be a little bit hypnotic. You watch it too long. Yeah, so that's Henry's Cat. Like I say, you may only be able to get it on eBay, possibly Amazon, I'm not sure. If you remember watching it, great. I think you can find it on YouTube. There's one series that I couldn't find, or you probably have to pay for, and that's Centurions. Again, let me, if you found it great. A classic series for the 80s. Anyway guys, I'll catch you later, bye.